Welcome to lesson 15 of our Informatica Oracle SQL series. Today we will deep dive into one of the most important SQL concepts. Every ETL and Informatica developer must master joins. Here, see joins. In real ETL design, joining tables is a common as breathing, where it's combining dimension and fact data, like merging lookup results or validating relationship between staging and target tables. Here, what are joins? Joins are used to combine data from two or more tables based on a related column between them. Okay, I will explain, but just learn the theory. Here, what happened? They help us view data logically connected, even if physically stored separately. Here, types of joins available in Oracle SQL. Join types like inner join or equi-join. Here, inner join is nothing but returns only matching records between tables like, okay, and left outer join returns all rows from left table and matching from right. Okay, I will explain in detail. Right outer join nothing but return all rows from the right table and matching rows from the left table. Full outer join nothing but returns all rows from both the tables, matched or unmatched. Right. Self join, a table to itself join, like manager employee relations hierarchy. Cartesian, like cross join. Cross join nothing but Cartesian product. All type of combinations it will be give, right? And non-equi joins using range comparisons. So here we will learn in some cricket match scenarios. Okay, everyone aware of cricket, right? So I will explain in a cricket example. For suppose, let's go to database. Here, for suppose I am creating, I will give you the structures. Just create that cricket player and match statistics and insert the table, insert statements. I am creating two tables. Here, cricket player, who are the cricket players? Virat Kohli, Babar Azam, Steve Smith and Ben Stokes, right? India, Pakistan, Australia and England. Ben Stokes from England, like that. So what are the match stats? Here, match stats, match ID, every match had some ID, right? 101, 102, 103, 104. Player 1, 2, 3, 4 and runs this, right? So here, see, here player ID is unique 1, 2, 3, 4. Here player ID is there 1, 2, 3, 5. Player ID is unique and yeah, here in both tables player ID is common column. So here so how to implement inner join? So here inner join here returns only players who have played matches, right? For suppose if we combine these two players, select p dot player name, p dot country, p dot nothing but alias, p nothing but alias of the table name. So p is nothing but alias of the table name, and here p dot players table. Player name from players table, country name from players table, and match ID from match stat table, runs column from match stat table, and opponent from match stat table. So if you want to combine these, right, from cricket player alias p is the alias name for cricket player. Inner join match stats m on player id is equal to employer id. So if you execute this query now, what will give? So it given, let's go to our Excel. For suppose inner join. Inner join, what it will give? So player id and player id is the common column here. Here player id, here player id. To join two tables, one common column should be there. So inner join nothing but it gives all the matching records from both the tables. So on what basis? Player id basis we are matching. So 1 2 3 4 records are there. So here 4 records are there, but it will check. It will check for player id 1 and player id 1. Here 1 1 is there. So what happened here? This record it will pull, and this record also it will pull, right? So second record also there, right? Second record also it will pull, and third record, second record is there. So 2 matching is there. So right, 2 matching is there, and 3 matching is there, right? So it will give third record also. It will give third record also. Here 4 there is no 4 player id. Player id 4 is not there, so it won't give. That's it. Equi join or inner join is nothing but matching records. It give only matching records, right? So this is the equi join. And let's go to left outer join. Left outer join. What is left outer join? Left outer join nothing but returns all players if they don't have a match record. For suppose left outer join nothing but it gives all the records from left table, all the records from the left table, and matching records from the both the tables. What it means? First it write all the records from the left table, first table, and matching records. What are the matching records? These are the matching records, right? Player id up to here it will give. So up to here it will give. So for this Ben Stokes player id 4 there are no records. So for this it will assign nulls. It will assign nulls, right? That is the have you able to observe, identify the difference between equi join and right outer join? Right outer join like this. So there is no records for the Ben Stokes. It will give nulls. See in database. See, for suppose left outer join returns all players even if they don't have a match record. There is no match record for Ben Stokes, but it gives this. So I am taking player name, player id match, and all these. Elias name I took. See, Virat Kohli, Babar Azam, Steve Smith records are there, but Ben Stokes there is no match player id. So here it is taking as nulls, right? That is the left outer join. Now right outer join. Let's see right outer join. RIGHT, right outer. What is right outer? Right outer nothing but it gives all the records from, see here while writing the join, select. Here you can write another way also. For suppose select p dot star comma m dot star, capital T. For suppose you took like this, and p dot m dot means alias to the tables. From which table? Players, cricket player. From cricket player table, left outer or left join. You can simply left join and match id, sorry, match status table, and join match table start. Cricket player p left join match status m on which column, you have to mention by using on, like this. It will select all the tables, all the columns. If you want to specify few columns only, you can mention like this alias. But if you want to select all the columns, if you want all the columns, as I shown in the Excel, see, it will give like this. So it gives all the matching records from the cricket player table, and only matching records from the second table. So now write outer join. What is write outer join? All rows from the match stats table, second table. Match stats is the second table, right? Even if the player doesn't exist. See, all the records from the second table, and only matching records from the first table. Both the tables, not first table. So here select m star, comma, select p star. M star second table and p star first table from cricket player id. From cricket player p, right outer join like this. What it given? Let's see. Here right outer join nothing but it gives all the records from the first table, sorry, second table, and for these matching records, 1 2 3 matching records are there. These three records will give. Fourth record it won't give, because fourth record matching record is not there in the second table. 4 id is not there. For this it will give nulls. It will give nulls like this. See, like this. Same, all the records from the first table and all the records from the first table, and matching records from the, so all the records from the second table and matching records from the first table, remaining are nulls, right? Like this. So first table from right player p and right join, no need to change these orders. See, first table as a cricket player p and second table as a match status m. No need to change this order, just you have to change left and right join. That's it, right? That is the right outer join. So now what is next? Full outer join. What is full outer join? Full outer join nothing but it's very simple. It gives all the records from the first table and all the records from the second table. That's it. Joins row wise, it is joining rows. So let's see. Select p dot player name match id from match status, opponent from match status, and cricket player p table from full outer join match status m on player id is equal to player id. Player id is the common column. So execute it. Here Ben Stokes no records in the opponent. Here what he did, only selected a p column from the, for suppose you can write same condition, like for your understanding I will write select p dot star means all columns, and m dot star from which table? Cricket player p full join or full outer join, no problem. Full outer join with match status m. math status M on which column? This column, player ID column. So I selected all the columns, just simply execute it. See, it given all the columns. It given all the columns. This record it won't equal to this. So it gives like this. So for this record, player ID for one Virat Kohli India match ID and player ID. Like this, it will give opponent. So Virat Kohli India Team India match ID 101, player ID and runs 95, 0 wickets against Australia. Like this, right? In this way, it will give full join. Full join, nothing but it will give all the records from both the tables, and if there is no matching record, it will give nulls. That's it. That is the full outer join. And what about next one? Non-equi join. Non-equi join, nothing but like some comparison operator. It will other than comparison operator. Here previously we used equal to operator, right? Here non-equi operator for remaining all these four tables joins, we use equality operator, but non-equi join operator you no need to use equality equal symbol. See here, for suppose let's create on salary, create salary grades of the team players, like grade, low salary, high salary. Insert 3 records. I will give the script, no worries. And create table like employee salaries, employee name, and employee salary. Sorry, employee salary is the table. See here, salary grades A, B, C, like this. And player salaries. Here how to get grades. What is Virat Kohli grade and what is Rohit Sharma grade? What is Hardik Pandya grade? Here in which grade they are coming? Here in above grades are there, no? So grades are there. See A grade 70,000 to 1 lakh, B grade 40,000 to 70,000, C grade 0 to 39,000, like 40,000 almost. So in which grade these people will come? Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma and Hardik Pandya, in which grade? So at that time, how can you just select the employee name, player name, the salary and salary. These are from employee table, and salary table, salary grade table, take grades. We want grade from the salary grade table, right? And from employee salary E, alias he took, and salary grade yes, where salary is between here, see, where salary is between, you want grade where salary is between low and high level. Based on this, it will give what it will give. It will give grades. See, grade salary between 85,000. It has a A grade, and 68,000 B grade, and 25,000, and below 40,000 it's C grade. Like this, non-equality operator. Like this we will use, right? This is equality, use of equality operator, right? So like he mostly when used when you want to map values into some ranges. And let's see self join. Self join here, What is self join? Self join is nothing but a table join with itself. That is called self join. For suppose employee is there, I will give you the table structure. Just create an employee table, employee id, employee name, manager id, and insert two records. Here what it is in employee table, what it is there? See, Ravi is there. So employee ID 1, 2, 3, 4 employee IDs are there. Employee Ravi is one employee ID, Sita 2 second employee ID, Gopal employee ID is 3, and Teja employee ID is 4. And manager ID, for Ravi there is no manager ID, it is null. And Sita's manager ID is 1. Manager ID is 1 means manager ID is 1. One ID is refers to whom? Ravi. One ID employees refers to Ravi. Gopal's manager is employee ID whose ID is 1. That is Gopal employee ID. This is one of the most important interview question. Self join. Teja employee ID is 4. Teja's manager ID employee ID is 2. Teja's manager's employee ID is 2. So means 2 means who is Teja's manager ID? Teja's manager. 2 means where? Here 2 is there. Here 2 is there. Sita is Teja's manager. Gopal 1 means who is 1? 1 employee Ravi is Gopal's manager. Sita's manager is 1. So again Ravi is manager. So Ravi is manager for Sita and Gopal. That is the beauty of self join. See, like suppose take employee name, e dot employee name, and m dot employee name. Just take two aliases, e dot employee name and m dot employee name manager, 2 columns as hierarchy. That is hierarchy. Okay, some hierarchy from employee table. The same table. Employee table E join with employee. Join with same employee M. Here E employee you took, and employee took same table. You took 2 references. Here hierarchy you alias as hierarchy. From employee ID employee E join with employee M on which one? Manager ID. E dot employee ID is equal to M dot employee ID. So what it will give? Like this it will give. Employee name, hierarchy. Who is hierarchy? Gopal's hierarchy, Ravi. Sita is Ravi. Teja is Sita. I already told, no, like that. So also you can, without these things, you can simply mention you can simply use connected also without without any manager ID. Like for suppose remove this employee name. No, don't remove, just combine. Instead of comma, just combine. Concatenate works under like this. You can see, like this you can use. If you execute now, it will give only direct answer, like Gopal works under Ravi, like that hierarchy. No 2 second column, Gopal hierarchy, Sita works under Ravi, Teja works under Sita. Just remember this logic. Okay, here what he did previously, he took 2 columns. Here E employee name and M employee name. E employee name and M employee name. M employee name as hierarchy he took. M employee name as hierarchy he took. E employee name and M employee name are from same table, like employees table only. But as hierarchy, he created alias column name and alias table name. M as alias table name. From employees E is existing table. Join employees M as the alias table on e manager id is the common, manager id is the common, where manager id e dot manager id is equal to m dot manager id, like this. Manager id, like this he took, sorry, manager id and employee id. He compared manager id and employee id. Why he compared manager id and employee id? Because employee id is representing as a manager id, same column, same data, right? One here, every manager had a employee id, but manager is a manager to the particular person, also an employee in a company, right? Manager is also a employee in company, but manager can handle 2-3 peoples at a time. That's why called as manager, right? So every manager has an id like an employee. So but he can handle 2-3 persons, right? So in that scenario you have to utilize these things. So that is the beauty of self join. Self join mostly used in Informatica to build hierarchies or some recursive mappings, right? Like reporting structures. So Informatica wise also it is important, right? Concatenate also I told. E employee name concat, m employee name as hierarchy from employee join employee m on e dot manager id is equal to employee m dot employee id. In last, manager id is equal to employee id. That is the condition you have to remember. And cross join. Let's see cross join. What is cross join? Cross join nothing but returns all possible combinations of rows from both the tables. That is called cross join. Cross join nothing but here you can if you want me to show, I will show there, but just simple, very simple. Just select player name from players table, match status opponent name from cricket player p, and cross join. See, it gives all the combinations of records. See, Virat Kohli opponent Australia, Babar Azam Australia, Virat play Australia, Babar Azam Australia, C. Smith Australia, and Ben Stokes Australia. Like that, it will give all possible combinations. Virat Kohli Kohli, Babar, like this. These people, like this, repeat. It will repeat. How many? 4, 4, 4, 4, like that. 16. It will repeat. All types of combinations it will give. That is the beauty of cross join. Cross join most very rarely used for generating test data, some type of test data. If you want to test UAT, QA, if you want to like that, cross join you will be used just for test data to test the code, right? You can use cross join to generate some test sample data, right? So here SQL concept like Informatica equivalent purpose. Here inner join used as a lookup mostly, right? In joiner transformation, like to combine matching rows. Left joiner acts as master detail joiner, preserve master data. Full outer join used as like a lookup combination, like reconciliation, right? Self join is for hierarchical mapping. Equijoin used for non-equijoin used for mostly in lookup with the range condition like salary, grades, like that, right? These are the importance of joiners. Later we will see. Just recollect all those things. So this lesson was very important. Okay, important concepts you will use daily as a data engineer or Informatica developer. Okay, in the next session we will see how these joins are visibly represented and optimized in Informatica mappings, right? Until then, keep practicing and remember, okay, in ETL your joins decide your data's destiny. Okay, bye, thank you so much.